Where have you been? I have to go to a function. All right then, I'm waiting for you. Please come quickly. I have to go too. Okay, fine. Okay. He still hasn't come yet. I'm getting late. Who knows when he'll come? These tailors really are something else. They just make people sit around and wait forever for absolutely no reason at all. I mean, it is common courtesy that if you are calling someone for a service, you should show up quickly and be professional, right? What kind of ridiculous way is this to run a business? It is honestly quite insulting to my time. Oh well, it finally looks like the wretch has decided to show his face and has arrived at long last. Yes, who is it?
Madam, it's the tailor. Madam, I'm the tailor. I've come to take your measurements.
Yes, I was waiting for you.
All right, fine.
All right, go ahead and take the measurements.
All right, I'll take out the measuring tape. Madam, I left the measuring tape at home.
What is this supposed to mean?
Well, since we are already here, I will go ahead and take your measurements anyway, just to be sure.
If you came to take measurements, you should have brought the measuring tape with you. What kind of thing is this?
Madam, I forgot the measuring tape. I'll just estimate your measurements for the shalwar and kameez by guessing.
And what if the measurements are wrong?
Then I'll pay for it.
Oh, sure, I'm sure you'll pay for it. But do you remember the last suit of mine that you ruined?
It got ruined, but it wasn't entirely my fault. You were the one who said, what's done is done. Just leave it and give me the suit. I'm leaving.
Yeah, as if you could have fixed it anyway.
Madam, I can do it. It's not like I don't have hands. I'm disabled, but I can still do it. You don't need to worry.
If you have hands, then use them properly and use your brain along with your hands too. You've come to take measurements and you don't even have a measuring tape with you. Wow, that's impressive.
Madam, sometimes a person just forgets. It's all right. I'll manage everything somehow.
When something is your responsibility, you should keep it in mind. If you've come to take measurements, you should have brought a tape, right?
I told you, didn't I, that I can measure your suit just by looking at these bundles.
So much for being experienced. I know all about your so-called experience.
You're getting upset over nothing.
If you're the one making mistakes, of course I'm going to get upset. Every time you end up doing something or the other.
Madam, you look even more beautiful when you're upset. I'll open a whole factory for you. A clothing factory.
All right, enough talking. Just take my measurements. I have to go somewhere too. I'm getting late.
Okay, fine. I'll take your measurements. Please turn this way. 1, 2, and 3, there are exactly 2 large bundles and 1 single span of material. So, looking at the situation now, I am wondering if I should perhaps come over from this side to get a better view and check them. Let's see, 1, 2, and 3. Yes, it clearly looks like these are 3 separate bundles sitting right here in front of me.
Are you out of your mind? One of my arms is shorter and the other is longer.
I'll make them even. I'll cut them with scissors.
What do you mean? You're going to cut my arm?
No, madam, I'm not cutting it. I will just adjust it according to the specific size based on the bundle we have here.
I'm not getting clothes stitched by you, nor am I giving you any measurements. Go, run away from here.
Madam, I have small children. Have some fear of God. I'll do it right now. I'll take the measurements right now.
There should also be some devotion in the work a person does. But there should also be some sense in it. Use your brain.
All right, I'll do it right now.
Who takes measurements from the bigger size?
All right, let me carefully take the measurements for you right now. 1, 2, and 3. That makes exactly 3 full hand spans plus an additional 3 fingers of width to ensure a perfect fit for your new shirt.
All right, sounds good.
So I will definitely keep it ready for you. Just waiting here patiently for you to arrive.
That's fine, but sew it quickly. Don't take a whole year like last time.
All right.
Last time you took a whole month too. I'll take it.
Come on, I'll sew it for you quickly as soon as possible. Why do you worry?
Go away from here. Boss, did you hear? You took the measurements. Do you still remember them or have you forgotten?
I remember everything. Why do you worry? I remember everything.
If my clothes get completely ruined this time around, you had better just wait and see exactly what I'm going to do to you.
From the front, it's 3 fists and 1 finger. And from over here, it is 3 fists and 4 fingers. I have taken all the necessary measurements now, and I have them memorized in my mind. You don't need to worry, because I am going to start working on it right away.
You took some measurements and told me nothing, crazy person. I want to get my clothes stitched by a professional. Go on, get out of here.
You're calling me crazy. I've got horns growing on my head.
Well, crazy people do have horns. Yes, people like you say that.
They do. If you don't want to listen, then don't get them stitched.
I don't want to get them stitched. Go on, get out of here.
I'm leaving. From this moment on, never again in your entire life should you give me any more fabric to stitch.
I don't want to get anything stitched by you. I don't even bother with crazy people like you.
I'm the crazy one. I've come to listen to craziness.
He calls himself a great tailor, brought his measuring tape along too, and on top of that, he's talking so much.